Betimi ababa share no one like no one share and a Sompa FM live ewo YouTube your website www.sompaonline.com Nana KJC Company Limited Ekwoba simprimu anopa no nsia kase bobre na aso ayede emamono adansie hu ne ma fitire ekosi ase Ekwoba simprimu na di mutintiman apampam je ne waje baabi akoto adansie hu ne ma wodan no wo hya ase a wo wie enhire gu no so nti enye se wudum finfia no waka Ekwoba simprimu ne boye chidom ema yede anopa no nsia kase bo wo Sompa 106.5 FM so yede esommo ensema yede sommo anopa di makotene no ebini
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de atuja se $58 million sikadodo ya wamode ko National Cathedral no ka ho bi e na osoro di nkuguo no
Dr. Omane Buama awoye Defense Minister de atuja se wo hye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia obi a wo kana sem se nam ne so na MPP fo lusu ye nanso no de wo yi ne ho afirim
sada na obi a waben wa amanyosem pa de atuja se amamuo enye tintin ni abati peja
na Dr. Jonathan Asante Ochre awoye political analyst ono so obamane se thank you to na MPP for so omo ye no ehu hia de ne omo hia ye frɛ no unity work
yampene emaye nyitokono Ghana Bar Association omo nso de wone atoso bi
Watikrewe ni brewe so wapim so watumfo se tutu otosom yenu nana yebo wudi ane yakọ yentumam Asante hene a omofa ne King Solomon eno no wono nso nyamea ya dum abokun sansem no wobetena se ne yapa asem no pomasibre
ene yekwa amanone a Philip amamu wo mo hyefa bi na obi de ka akotwia fadom so na hwehwemu kyese se ye Ghana no wa nko psychiatric hospital
yene edi kaseboyi esom no pei eyeme Akosua ago Aboagye Mene
Triple A mine Agya Appiah Apam Dadaa
Afei ensem no enchiremu eni Mensha himfie de krata babontin se wotumfo se tutu a wotoso mienu Asante hene nana yebo wudi ane yakwa yentumam ababa bededi se boko ntokwa ekoso sakasaka no wo ba betena se ne yapa asem no pomasibre na krata omode babontin no mpanifo di ho adanse se aban abomanhia paase wonhwe na onya na so na yenhwe ne ensiesie na asomdwe ho nsem emra na no na Asante hene ene ne dom so agitu mu se His Royal Majesty wo mo ebeye ho adwuma se de beya sa asomdwe ho semono womo ahye amanaba na asumdue bua no obia etimi anombe womo mu chaka e wa asumdue bua ho hyehyeye no nyina no womo nso de womo ho ahye mu bi womo chem se bokonsa nsem no ache ayewomu a na asora se border suja no asa ewu na ase de na edaduse ya ekona aba enti afei na Asante ne eba be hye na de efre no mediation wo ba begire mfimfin no no atoto niema nyina ebetimi akoyie Sompa kase ebo edi akire ye befiri mo babia no ye nyimaso emfirim
ene yeda so gina mamere no mamedo wura amanyosem mu na anu a Ghana fo kokoto aba na ewieye osonkokroko aban ya na etie konwa so wo fira konwa no so hwe fom a wantimi ansore bio na Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia tempestuously wo sore babeka se wo hu se nkugu aba entie wura mahama na edi nkunim ententem wonkeka no hono wonye na adwuma ye nam so maso no mane bi ebufu poto no Penny gusu a won monam say atoyama ntemu na wo maduru uduru Sompa takrade a wo magye baabia emu na wo kasa no wodi tudwa kyese won de enkugo na ebaaye no won fa nche benkum ni nifa wo no mo a na mom National Cathedral mampani dada na Akufo ado ka se wo besi no wode ama nyame na ewie wantimi ansi wotu amna eto ho a wogya ho no $58 million choppable Trump dollars ene wo mo di wuram na Ghana 40 yen efu wo mo bo papa eka ho bi ena nkugo no bae
National Cathedral ya yetimi anti after $58 million na nipa bebregu if 3 days to the election yet to petrol 3 days mimeti ya na meka say oboboa say how yan see agotere 3 days to the election ya go to petrol hey ye person you win and say ye person na driver for ebuefu 3 days and omoko to abano enti aba ye ko to yi ebufu aba na nipa to yi Enti na yɛka sɛ yɛbɛhwɛ okwe committee no. Okwe committee no so ɔmoayɛ ɔmo adwuma ewie sɛ the general secretary boss no. Ɔmo akɔ constituency biara ɛwɔ Ghana na ɔmo produce ɔmo report. Ɛdeɛ a ɛyɛ ne dɛ no sɛ okwe committee report no agbɛkyerɛ sɛ there is no religious factor in the 2024 election. It is not a factor at all. And number two, there is no tribal factor in the 2024 election.
Wei takrade ena alaji Mahmoud Bilbo Baomia wode sansemi ekokotu dwa na ate so se meteye no ne kyese wo mo yokra no wante ho asem.
Ye so a Dr. Mahmoud Baumia watch na dwene efa de ntia NPP amonyoko no elusu ye no na Dr. Omane Boama o ye defense minister na so obansoafo wo no na hwebambo so de atodwa se Dr. Mahmoud Baumia kasa bebre kasa wei anyway na NPP fo lusu ye nanso no de wayi ne ho afrim enso party no wosono kokoro kwa eda fam a se wosono wo nana ya wo hunu se wo sori o se wo ye den o a wo butu fam antate nyina di ne ho agro no. As I said, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia taking responsibility no so jitum say party ni defeat 2024 no aka ho bi na sa external factors na so what tension nsa say asmesi ana so benten ena nam so ma party na eto fom a wo muntimi ensore no na eya chia kakra wo chem say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na nsen wo kasa na wo chem say ne hwehwemu kakra wa ye nam so ma MPP photo apen ewo mfiempinu ne aduonu nan abato no the edi kan ye domestic debt exchange program no mo de ba ye no a wo mo so mbe ye ho adwuma no eno amoa party ne kura E11 no nso na Ghana form pe eno nso amoa ena party nso na emu acheche ena de toso bi wo friend de friend no arrogance of power na ese wonye tumi na ya hanta na wo ye dwe ye kan sem bi ya kire wa wontie tintintinti ni nyina kan wo bi nti na party no ebreye no eno na Dr. Omane Boama o ye defense minister tie no say aba Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wo de wo kasa kase wei ena wei domestic debt exchange program ena levy internal disunity ena de national cathedral na wo de uyu ho afrim drivers mate uyu ho afrim ana se wo de ho eka ho evi se abato no amulusu ye no na wo nso ka ho ntie beblemu obi a emblemu obi a wo se Dr. Mahmoud Baumia mom ena yemfa sa asobo no emono ne enkyekere na yemfa nso ano na Dr. Omane Boama achem se wo hwe Ghana fo ohaw ne abinidi o mo fa mo bra MPP fo wo so aho kyere abrabo mu asetene mu ohaw a ne yagye ye ho baabi a enyi a ne nyina kan wo bi ntina party ne eto fo mu a Ghana fo ebruskoto wo mu to baabi no eto no de ye pede onam ne so ema party ne elusu ya ono Dr. Omane Boama besi su dua se Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na odimu etintimai
na wasansam no aho na Dr. Kwame Asasare wono waben pa o amanyosem ene na de kire mu enti wo political science lecturer ena pani di tudwa no wache se man no enya gidie wo pepa bi ewo mu na wono moto aba de mawo na nya betena wo mo so a ya abatipaja kokoti ni dwa ne ahantan no wo so de to ba bi kura na ni nyina no wo kasa de aba bepie wo sonkokuruku amanyoku asese wo mu ho boto ano emfa kura wanhye se ye na entwedi ba ya wo mo na mu ada Agya Mahmoud Baumia de hawo enam so ma enkugo no ba ye etro tudwai ene wo chese no kwasem ni se wo so no pese 2028 wotimi ba Ghana akonwa pono no ho de a ene de wo so wo ye ni se wo ka de ede nka bo mu beba na mom enye de ede ntitimu.
Remember that the people have trusted their power in you. They've entrusted that power in you, and a day will come, they will require what? Accountability. Be honest with them. Be sincere. Govern with passion, and govern at the back of your mind. Derive the satisfaction that you need, results. And that when people talk, just listen. Because governance is a dialogue, give and take. Once you listen to yourself without talking to others or without listening to it, it becomes a monologue. But that is not it. And that remember that when people disagree with you, you should have a big stomach to stomach these things. And then you take the best in terms of advice. But if you become so arrogant, you become so bossy that you want to lord it over them, that you rule with threats, you rule with what? Iron fist. You rule with what? Bad policy. And then all ideas, all advices, all wise counsel will fall on deaf ear. Then you are heading for doom. There is no way that you can be saved. You can manipulate whatever electoral system, but when people speak That is it. Because democracy, if you want to understand it from its root, is nothing but demos, the people. Kratos, rule of the people. As soon as you lose the focus on the people, you lose their interest.
Eno ya Dr. Asasare ena ate se wo kasade ya futu ema wosono mai. Na ewie ya no yensantro ni a ono nekotie ebeka ewo atoyemantem na afanyina ba bedu. Ene Ghana fo bi di nkomo na wo mu di nkomo no fa ya be fa asantemantem nyina. Wo mu nso kire se de wo mu kan ye nokre na kokoti ni doso eno achi no wo ma ye mampam o ka hwe a wo no nte.
Yeah, no, it was out to a man, let's say, on tower and what and I had to lorry fair, watching I had to petrol, and near Makwa and Akosua. You go funny in my ends begua, and I'm say, ya 2 months, not Ubia meto, Ubia pen or then a boy, Tino, and he said, Intinama, ya 2 niti and Pipini Bibia, and then yes, Toklana, ya kotuyo, ya uncle Tokla, Tium could dila so class, ya quaco twaba, Tino, Nina can be Tiname to Tia, oh, a buffism, as I he said, as I see, a dice I you cry, I saw that, to me. Me kwa sorry men kunko di last so me mameto aba if say me amwa me if say ye to ye MPP by first 4 years ne de omu ye bi efiri ho ko ne de ye hu de ko isi tino no ka hu bintini etutia o adwen fi say camera kakra be ekoto aba no toto no mam titiru petrol eto mum eto anwam ti se bibia ko soro ntina ama asetene ma ye de e say me an no kra me kan say since mani fi ya me started to aba me hu se beto aba ma increase no makosoro do enti aba ne de ya 20 ana ba efa de abufuo na anto entia me say me to ma MPP me ma de metimi ato ma NDC no kra exactly e abufuo fi se bantima constituency kra no ko he we see enyam ye nya ne sentima me nua ba kokora frima so ka say sister e mo ampa na bantima de mo anto e abufuo ba ye mfa abufuo so nya ade abufuo ama amamfo anto no ama say no mo
eno na Ghana fo bi kire se eye bufuo ene ehensem nti aba na nyese wo moto ye na wo motutie wo mo ankwa nkotokora ena na ba bedu ene wo mo kasei
Yedaso enwo the New Patriotic Party MPP amonyekuo no so wo show mo thank you to a wo mo ya Dr. Mahmoud Baumia edi animu no ena ehun nsem no ye di tudwa wo Sompa 106.5 FM no pa no nsia kase bo ekoba simprimo ebo ye chidom na no na Dr. Jonathan Asante Ochre a ye political analyst na amonyesem no wo ye mo pensem mu eno no so di atudwa se MPP for thank you to no a wo mo eye no na eni kwanse eye thank you to na se ye unity work if it's a party ni mu atete se kontebe ena party ni emu acheche empapa mu aba no dua obi sini babi a obi amfa bibia ho eti babi aduru ni de ukoda aseda ben na wode ko se medam asesa mo ma me lusu ya na medam asesa mo ma me tofo ma na de binya no ne hia de hia ne se ye pese party ni ye kan ye ho bom Professor Michael Kwe report waba ensam a edi mu tintiman ni nyina no de hia eye party ni unity ene betimi aboa wo mo ebro mo boa mo ho na wo ma ba besi akan biem 2028.
So it meant that this is a baggage that you must get rid of. But he couldn't do so. So he feels that at this point in time, this is the time to do a rebranding of himself. That is exactly what he is trying to do. Now, if you look at it carefully, in any case, he is blaming everybody else apart from himself. And what he did was that he stopped short at mentioning names. Some of us came with a conjecture that, look, a document, the Makokwe document or report that has been kept under a lock and key was simply because the leadership then bore the brunt of that particular report. And that is the more reason why they wouldn't want anybody to have access to it. So they would just be picking those ideas and try to implement them. That means if the party itself is to decide to get rid based upon the report, they will decide to get rid of all those relics of President Akufo-Addo, and that will include Dr. Baumia. But as it stands now, the party is at a crossroads. The party is in a huge dilemma. Do we sidestep Dr. Baumia and pick somebody else differently who does not have the tag or the target of the former president, or we go by Dr. Baumia, who has been widely popularized? And if whichever way you look at it, it comes with certain consequences. And that's the more reason why they will have to be more strategic and then do the right thing. Apart from that, I have a problem with the headline for the talk. Thank you talk. How do you thank those who voted against you? I felt that linguistically they ought to have made it a unity walk or unity talk, and they could have inputted all these kinds of ideas in terms of a thank you. But to headline it as thank you talk, for me, it is out of cynicism.
Eni ayeti ye eye Dr. Jonathan Asante Ochre, where political analyst and a watch him say, and thank you to anasi edamwase and strapo ene and sashe ena NPP for here, nemum and kabomuno ena ehia wamosabri.
Ghana Bar Association, enye wonuma ya tontonsa nemum we a lawyer for ne ajaji foku no, wonuma konshemudie omo media conference no, na asie na womude kokotu dwa eche sesade enema esi kro. Na womo no nka wode won ho emfa ho ne amanyoku ebeba akonwa so obi antimi mfa womo nsanka won tomadan no nanso ekwawie maame araba esaba tokuno Gertrude mampani se watwena sensen enam ensem binum ayetworo bere no efa maame hu nti ena womo pani a otua womo no se president wobapa efuagate edi tudwa chese no kwasem ni sade enema esi kika kro na ase yetwetwe womo sre ne abasa edi twere wiase amansan nyina no egu wo mo ho fi na sansem we no wo mo te ase a enye yie na dwumadie na ase no wonya daje kasa ye pa na yensa ntwerofo nso wo ho.
In respect of the earlier statement that was released, it was released by the, please, are you listening, please? Let me even roll back a little bit. So we had a council meeting on the 27th of March, after we had met the Chief Justice to have our annual meeting with the Chief Justice. And at that meeting, one of the agenda items which we quickly, in fact it came more as AOB, was the matter that was unfolding before us. As at that time, the Chief Justice had indicated that she had not received the petitions. So at the meeting, the council decided that we should assure the Chief Justice that the bar was going to be alive to its responsibilities. And therefore, we would want cooperation and to ensure that we were kept abreast with whatever was taking place.
President Edema Ghana Bar Association, Mame Efuagate ene kasa yi, no wie no wose, cancer ne ntina wo moto so, wo mba twrokra ta pa emrada ho, e de amama mpani se beye na maame no obesan so e na esi na konwa so.
And at that meeting, the executive decided that a statement was to be written. However, since the executive acts on behalf of the entire council, it was necessary that the council should also be brought into the picture. Members, this is part of our democracy as a bar. We act through our executives that we have elected. And the statement that was put together, comments were received from 2 p.m. when we started the meeting to after 10 p.m. Bearing in mind that as at that time, nobody had any idea what was in the petition or response. So this statement went back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And early the next day, it had to move. It was then that got to know that information in relation to the petitions were out there for people to read, as well as her responses. No one had come out from official circles to say that what we were reading was not official. So as far as we are concerned, we are coming from
Enu President Oda Ghana Bar Association mechira lawyer for nkabumuku na no wamo media conference ase ena maame Efuagate wakansemi
na sansem kroya ena a private legal practitioner na esemranim ni lawyer Martin Pegu edi atudwa se esese de friend prima facie case abansi wanyade atia Chief Justice Gertrude Tokono no wonfa emetudwa ye ka prima facie case asem na nasa ade na wode bɔ no ne nyina so no enie na wɔn de nyina so no ɛbɛkyira na Ghana fo bɛgye di sampa ɛyɛ trodo kwan so ɛna aban edi dwuma no na aban dwumadie no awia bom na de friend democracy na dodo amamuo no etimi agya na naso efise Ghana fo dodo na wadwempo bi se enam se MPP fo baaye na omu yi former EC boss Mame Charlotte se free ho no NDC fo bo madwempo se ekwan bia so de ye Charlotte se no wo mu di bi baye chief justice enti na omo ye saa eti saa de na Ghana fo nya saa dwiri bi se as MPP fo NDC for retaliation revenge ene aba mu yi Charlotte se free ho ye nso be yi chief justice se free ho ene ye no se Akosua saa na wansha na ahadwene enti de mampani dada na na do ye ya wo mu chem se Mame Charlotte se nyina so nie no esese aban we su di nyina so ne basa prima facie case no won fa mekire Ghana fo na ma obi a dwiri mu ena baabia eda na wo se eno ne friend democracy anase dodo amamuo ena o chem se aban ma transparency anase awia bo ne dwumadie mu a Ghana fo beji no adi se bi enye political yibesie vendetta bi ena wo ba beye anase amanyosam adwemboni bi ta akire etina chief justice wonye hwe na pese kwan bia so yi ne firi ho no eye wasem no nyina so a wode beba no ena bema Ghana fo agiwadi.
Transparency too is very key in thriving democracy. You'll find a number of Supreme Court decisions that talk about transparency, probity, accountability, etc. So the Supreme Court says these are the hallmark of our democracy. So in other words, these are the pillars that hold our democracy together. So it would be odd to have a decision that remains a secret. And I think actually the president intends to do that. Because you remember when the Charlotte matter came, at the end of the day, the decision was released. We read it publicly, the procurement breaches, etc. So we knew exactly what caused Charlotte removal. And remember, Charlotte was also removed under Article 146. It's the same thing like the same chief. What we should say is that in law, no two cases are the same. So for me, to the extent that we'll not be able to read the Council of State advice to the president and how the president wrote the prima facie determination, it's impossible for me to criticize the president on that score.
A lawyer Martin Pebu, our private legal practitioner, Nasem Renimini, and watch Najune Ediafa, Chief Justice Asamno.
Any antema young Quamanone, Namanon so Philip Mamu any yeura. One will say, Ewo Poland, their fan home, no more Boshepa, Russian to quay by. I said, Womon so hokan kakra. Na ehona abamu abi wadi mfinhye aduasa na no wono mo shefa efra ho se lapulapu eda wo mo hya safan dom nya asam ketwa wo mo gu ho agi wo mo ani afa ko wieye se kof na no wo buo se U10 no se do pese o twara na bato ene wo kwatwi fa nipa dom so ewie na ebinom se da bi we no mo no aye huriya sabi moja mpa wo mo tim se koba se ehu se nipa dom ahia pe na bone aba wo mo tirim timpanimfo hwehwem eno ena Vancouver Posi Deputy Chief Constable nene say Steve Rai wo kasa no wo che se da bi wo ma hwepetete krempa na abamu ano se nka ye Ghana no wo ankasa abre psychiatric hospital hokura no wo Agya yarehwe esan se ye ka adwenemu yade a ebi ewo no so enti kan na wotu ye no nyase obi na abone pa anase bone bi na wo pese wodie na nhyiranka nyame se wo kra bi anya ntoe na mo nipa dodo pa na eprepra sesi ehwehwemu gu so a ekoso na wo mo nso gua ya asabia na doctor fo ehwese wo mbenya wo mo ahoden na kuronu nso afa ne tampa efra
Kasebono asi ensema de so manopadi de makotene bi ene se asanten ni wotumfo se tutu otosomienu ebetena se na bokonsansam ne ya pasam no pomasibre
Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ede tudwa se $58 million wo mo de kokotu amna National Cathedral eka ho ne fu Ghana fo bo a woto abeti asono
Dr. Jonathan Asante ocho political analyst achemu se MPP for the omo here unity work enye thank you to
ene afutu korona bi akode ama wosono ne mo ekoma amanyofo nyina se yenyato abama wa kokoti ni dwe ne tintintinti no munyai
kaseboyi enyumeku ebo ye chidom nana kejesi company limited ko ba simprimu wano na adansie ho ne papa woton enti Ghana ha adansi fodi adansie se ko ba simprimu ya adansie ho ne Alpha and Omega woni tipen woni animu no woni echi wono ko na ginam wo mantam dunsie ne nyina mu ne branches edoso ensin branches biara na wo hwe adwuma pa wo ya enye nwanwa wo ye Pentecost ni Pentecost fo abona so abasobo akese ene ede ema no semana nana wo bo adwuma nkasa eti eba na doa binding wires plywoods cement iron rods roofing sheets building materials nyinara chance kwa wiye ne de ko ba simprimu wono ene de bema wo nanu ya Central Steel for wo ma donate brand new truck e de a channel sam nanaje a trailer ka ho adan om se he wo performance na eburo so wo bo adwuma nkasa enti performance 2023 no ye best performance award ne de ma wo Central Steel for edema no a wo musa de car epi ne so adentia adansie ho ne ma wono ne ton free delivery e wo ho se Ghana ha ba bia wo tie wo nkran wo wotema wo kumase wo wotamale eno ane se ye de ba se ya ena wo pa free consultation ye de be ma ye sisi dan ne bia ma na broso enti se bia afa na obesi dan na wo pa futuo ne akwankyera na na KJC company limited ko ba simprimo ho na sese wodi wani kire ade a dan se enhire gu ne suo nti se woto adansie ho ne ma free ne nkyɛn a wo dan no wo si wie wo dan no wo besi awie wo bi wo ha wo kɔtɔ no ho adansie a ɛdan no woduru mfimfia na waka ebise ade no enkoyie enkyira no ebitimi tere sa wo de ho bodondon no esaawo eti eko ba simprimu se brei na beto adansie ho niema obetimi afre 020-435-5040 eye 020-435-5040 na wodem eko ba simprimu na KJC company limited de boye chidom eme de anopa no nsia kasebo esomo ewo Sompa 106.5 FM so Accra na esani mu na eko mantam ni nyina mu na edru Adamfo Power Radio ewo Paris France ton ena Ayiko FM ewo Kumasi hono a Sompa 93.1 FM takwa eye Sompa 101.1 FM takra de Sompa 103.3 FM ena Techimai eye Sompa 106.1 FM adehye wo sunyane wo masom ewo Sompa 98.9 ena Enkranza eni ho agro ewo Sompa 90.7 doma ye Sompa 101.3 FM decoder so eye Sompa FM Facebook eye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ena Sompa FM live eye YouTube nso ye tuem ye website eye www.sompaonline.com ye de kasebo isumo no pay eye me Akosua Aboagye obetimi afrem Akosua nhira me ne me doba
Agya Appiah Apam Dadaa triple A man
wie